Hi, this is Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Let's look at a 2022 211 Hybrid by NauticStar. This boat has got a Yamaha 150, has the trim tabs on it, boarding ladder, ski tow bar, 3 rear seats that flip up, makes into a casting platform when they're in the down position, leaning post with an igloo cooler, 5-inch Simrad chart plotter, infinity stereo system, flush mounted rod holders, rear seats for your passengers for comfort, bow cushions, trolling motor plug, pedestal seat adapter, anchor locker, stainless steel cup holders, stainless steel cleats, grab handles. This is the 2022 211 Hybrid by NauticStar. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Come by, see us at Lake Norman. MarineMax. Be glad to show you this boat.